Hi, my name's Shannon and I'm a mortgage and protection advisor at Mortgage Advice Bureau. So I'm here today to talk to you about some of the challenges that existing homeowners and potential buyers are facing in today's mortgage market, and hopefully can aim to answer some of your questions around that. So the first thing that I want to talk about is surrounding valuations and high loan to value mortgages. So due to lockdown, valuers can't get out to value properties, which is causing delays at your lenders. However, what lenders have done, they've put in place contingencies so that they can do automated valuations, which is basically online valuations of properties, and it's meaning that they're able to continue processing applications and get offers out. Due to that though, what a lot of lenders have done is to mitigate the risk is withdraw at the higher loan to values. So, if you're buying at 95%, there's not as many lenders out there as there was before. However, we are so lucky because we are such a big organisation. We've got access to a large variety of lenders. So every day we're still getting 90 and 95% mortgages. So if you do fall into that category, then please don't think that if you've spent all this time finally found a house that you need to give up on that. We can help you if you get in touch. We can get you into that home and get you the keys. The next thing that I want to look at is uncertainty around income. So, quite a large proportion of the country's been furloughed, self-employed, worries about income, etc. And that is something that is going on and stress for everybody just now. So again, if you fall in that category and you're worried about the mortgage, it doesn't mean you can't buy that dream house. But also, if you've got an existing mortgage, what we can look to do is get you a repayment holiday with your lender. So what most lenders are doing is offering a 3-month payment holiday, which we can put in place for you, and it just means it takes away that stress at this time for your biggest commitment. What we can also have a look at doing is there's never been a better time whilst everything is at hold. We've never had more time to sit down and really review your mortgage, especially if your mortgage is up for review in the next 3 to 6 months. We can have a look at getting you the best remortgage deal which will fit around your circumstances, so that you can be sure that if it's after your 3-month repayment holiday, or even just set up now for when the time comes, you're on the best deal which will be set around your circumstances. The next thing that you can sit down and we can look at is your essential and non-essential outgoings. So for example, everything is at a halt just now, so to really reevaluate your finances and make sure that everything's accounted for and take away the stress at this time of money. So what you can sit down and do is your priorities, really making sure your essential outgoings are covered. So your mortgage, if you've not taken a payment holiday, your household outgoings, your protection, they're making sure that you, your home and family are fully protected at such a unprecedented time. Your non-essential outgoings that you should be reviewing at this time, for example, Sky Sports, BT Sport, anything that you really don't need, like gym memberships when you can't get to the gym. These are all things that you can freeze and bring back later when you know that you've got your income and you can be confident in what you've got coming in and out. But we're here at any time to help and answer any questions that you've got. And thank you.